Looking to hit the open road without towing a second mortgage behind you? Mini camper trailers are the perfect solution for adventurers who want comfort, mobility, and affordability. Unlike massive RVs, these lightweight teardrops and compact campers can be pulled by nearly any vehicle, from a Subaru Outback to a Ford Escape. In this list, we count down the 9 cheapest mini campers available today, priced under $12,000 new. From minimalist weekenders to surprisingly well-equipped sleepers, each entry offers a unique way to camp smart, travel far, and keep your wallet full. Number 9. Trail Manor High-Low Scout, Used Market Focus. While a new Trail Manor can exceed $20,000, the older High-Low Scout models, pre-2010, regularly sell for $7,000 to $9,000 in good condition, making them a budget-friendly mini when folded. The magic of the High-Low is its collapsible roof. It tows as a low 5-foot-tall box, then expands to over 6 feet of interior headroom. This gives you the feel of a small travel trailer with the aerodynamics of a mini camper. Weighing around 1,200 pounds, it still works with small SUVs. The interior includes a dinette that converts to a bed, a 2-burner stove, a sink, and a tiny closet. Unlike most cheap minis, the Scout offers actual insulation and a 3-way refrigerator. The trade-off? The lifting mechanism needs maintenance, and used units often have soft floor spots from past leaks. But if you're handy, this is the most livable mini camper for the money. You can stand up, cook inside during rain, and tow it without a trailer brake. For a couple wanting real RV features at a micro price, a used High-Low Scout is a hidden gem. Just budget $500 for resealing windows and inspecting the lift cables. Number 8. Runaway Camper Range Runner 6x8 V-Nose. Starting at $8,295 new, the Runaway Range Runner is a minimalist dream, a lightweight, V-Nose teardrop that prioritizes durability and flexibility. The 6x8-foot model weighs 850 pounds, includes a rear ramp-style door, and features a fully flat floor, allowing you to use it as a cargo hauler during the week and a sleeper on weekends. There is no built-in kitchen or electrical pre-wiring. Instead, Runaway gives you a bare aluminum box with marine-grade plywood, leaving everything to your DIY imagination. This open design means you can install a cot, a mattress, or even a small wood stove. The V-Nose improves aerodynamics, reducing drag and fuel consumption. Many owners add roof racks, solar panels, and portable battery packs. The biggest advantages are weight, towed by a smart car, and price. The biggest downsides: no insulation, no windows in early models, and you must seal the plywood yourself. Still, for $8,300, you get a rugged, American-made MyPod by Little Guy Trailers original model. The original MyPod, discontinued but widely available, used from $6,000 to $8,000, is one of the most iconic cheap mini campers ever built. Measuring just that lasts decades. Think of it as a blank canvas. If you love building your own adventure rig without the high entry cost, the Range Runner is perfect. Add a memory foam pad and a propane heater, and you're camping in comfort. Number 7. 8 feet long and 5 feet wide. This fiberglass egg sleeps 2 in a 54 by 80-inch bed. Unlike plywood teardrops, the one-piece fiberglass shell never leaks or rots, and it's incredibly easy to tow at 700 pounds. The interior is Spartan but clever. A small storage cabinet, 2 USB ports, a 12V light, and a rear hatch that opens to a galley area for a portable stove. The MyPod lacks a built-in kitchen or toilet, but its charm is simplicity. You can park it anywhere, clean it with a hose, and tow it behind a Prius. The downsides: headroom is only 40 inches, you cannot sit up fully, and the bed takes up the entire floor. Getting in and out requires some crawling. Still, for under $8,000, you own a nearly indestructible, retro-styled camper that holds its value. Owners love the minimal setup time. Just open the hatch and climb in. If you prioritize ease of towing and zero maintenance over interior space, the MyPod is a fantastic, wallet-friendly choice. Number 6. Hiker Trailer 5x8 Standard. Hiker trailers start at $7,990 for the base 5x8 model, and they have earned a cult following for good reason. Built in Colorado, these square-drop campers are fully customizable aluminum composite, weighing about 900 pounds. What makes the hiker special is the attention to detail. Pop-up roof vents, locking storage boxes, and a sturdy roof rack rated for a rooftop tent. Unlike many cheap campers, the hiker includes real windows with screens and blackout, but the base model includes a 5-foot by 8-foot interior with a 60 by 80 mattress, a rear kitchen with a slide-out stove tray, and a 20-gallon water tank. The frame is powder-coated steel, and the siding is aluminum shades. The base model does not come with a battery or propane, but the wiring is pre-installed. The only downside is lead time, often 6 to 12 months. But for $8,000, you get a made-to-order, off-road capable mini camper with a functional outdoor kitchen. Owners frequently tow them over mountain passes with Subaru Outbacks. If you want something tougher than a Teardrop but still under 1,000 pounds, the Hiker 5x8 is a superb value. Just add a deep cycle battery and you're ready for boondocking. Number 5. Timberleaf Pika, used early models. The Timberleaf Pika is a handcrafted teardrop that new starts at $11,000, but early model years, 2016 to 2019, frequently sell for $7,500 to $8,500. Measuring 5 by 8 feet with 48 inches of interior height, the Pika features a birch plywood interior, aluminum exterior, and a fully enclosed rear kitchen with a sink, 2-burner stove, and a 3-gallon water tank. The standard model includes LED lighting, a 110V shore power inlet, and a thick memory foam mattress. What sets the Pika apart is build quality, dovetail joinery, automotive-grade seals, and torsion axle suspension. It feels like fine furniture on wheels. The camper weighs 850 pounds and tows effortlessly. Downsides: no toilet or shower, and headroom is seated only. But for a used one under $8,000, you get a camper that rivals $15,000 models in fit and finish. Owners love the rear kitchen's ergonomics. You can cook while standing under the hatch. The small size means you can store it in a standard garage. If you find a clean used Pika, grab it immediately. It holds its value and provides a luxurious camping experience for a budget price. The only caveat: check for delamination on the aluminum skin, as early models had minor adhesion issues. Number 4. $7,000 new. Weighing just 660 pounds and measuring 10 feet long, this teardrop-style camper features a unique full Campina 3.0 European import. The Campina 3.0 is a Dutch-designed mini caravan sold in the US through small importers for around a roof system that creates 4.5 feet of standing room over the kitchen area. The interior sleeps 2 on a fixed 54 by 79-inch bed, with overhead cabinets and a large front window. The rear galley includes a single burner stove and a stainless sink with a hand pump. Unlike most budget minis, the Campina comes standard with a 12V electrical system, a 110V shore charger, and a small heater. The European roots mean excellent aerodynamics and low towing drag. Downsides: parts are hard to find, the mattress is thin, and the door is small. However, for $7,000, you get a turnkey camper with more features than anything else at this price point. It's particularly popular among van lifers who want a separate sleeping pod. The exterior is automotive-grade ABS plastic, so it never rusts. If you can find a dealer, the Campina 3.0 is a steal. Just be patient with assembly. Some units arrive partly disassembled. Overall, this is the cheapest new camper with a real kitchen and electrical system. Number 3. Tiny Camper Company 4x8 Flatbed. Starting at $6,495, the 4x8 flatbed from Tiny Camper Company is barely larger than a twin mattress, but it's the ultimate ultra-budget platform. This is a DIY 400 pounds dry. You provide the sleeping pad, lighting, and ventilation. The genius is simplicity. You can build it out in a weekend with $300 of supplies. Many owners add a roof vent, a small solar panel, and a plywood shelf for a cook stove. Towed by anything with a hitch, including a friendly shell, marine plywood floor, aluminum siding, a rear door, and 2 side windows. No electrical, no kitchen, no insulation, just a weather-tight box on a 4x8-foot trailer frame weighing a motorcycle. The downsides are obvious. You cannot stand, sit up fully, or cook inside. But for $6,500 brand new, it's the cheapest road legal hard-sided sleeper in America. It's It's popular with hunters and solo cyclists who just need a dry place to sleep. The company also sells pre-built upgrades, but the base model is pure budget. If you're handy and want to spend under $7,000 total, this is it. Add a $200 foam mattress and a $50 battery lantern. You now have a camper for the price of a good mountain bike. No frills, but no failures either. Number 2. Rustic Trail Teardrop Grizzly Base. The Rustic Trail Grizzly starts at $5,995 new, making it the cheapest factory-built teardrop with a rear hatch and real windows. Built in Ohio, this 5x8 camper weighs 850 pounds and features a birch interior, 2-inch foam mattress, and a rear galley opening, though no stove or sink are included at base price. The walls are 1-inch thick foam insulation wrapped in aluminum, so it stays warmer than most budget campers. Standard features include a 12V interior light, a USB port, and a small storage cabinet. You add your own portable stove and water jug. The Grizzly is famously durable. The torsion axle handles dirt roads, and the sealed floor resists rot. The biggest complaint is the door height, only 36 inches, but that's common for teardrops. For under $6,000, you get an American-made, insulated camper that sleeps too. Compare that to a rooftop tent, $2,000, plus a trailer, $2,000, and you still need a mattress and setup time. The Grizzly is ready to go. Many owners have lived in them for months-long road trips. The only optional extra worth buying is the roof rack, $300. If you want the absolute best value for money under $6,000 new, the Grizzly is unbeatable. It's basic, but it's bomb-proof. Number 1. Runaway Venturist, smallest model. Taking the top spot for cheapest mini camper trailer is the Runaway Venturist 4x6, starting at only $4,995 brand new. That's right, under $5,000 for a hard-sided, road-legal, American-made camper. The Venturist measures 4 feet wide by 6 feet long, with an interior sleeping area of 48 by 74 inches, fits too snugly. It weighs just 550 pounds dry, tows behind a Fiat 500, and features a flat floor, a rear ramp door, and 2 small side windows. There is no insulation, no electrical, and no kitchen. This is a minimalist paradise. But you can add a mattress and a battery-powered fan and have a dry, secure, bug-free sleeping space for less than the cost of a decent used motorcycle. The exterior is aluminum composite over a plywood floor, and the 12-inch tires are replaceable at any hardware store. Owners use them as deer camp shelters, surf shacks, and even mobile tool rooms. For $5,000, nothing else comes close. You can't stand, but you can sleep flat, store gear, and lock your doors. If you have a tiny car and a tiny budget, the Venturist 4x6 is the answer. Add a $300 solar generator and a $100 memory foam topper, and you have a complete camping rig for under $5,500. That's the cheapest way to stop sleeping on the ground, guaranteed.